Hey guys, I see a cardinal. Do you see it? Oh my god, I just saw it, and I say if you see a cardinal, it's good luck. And that, like, maybe like if you could see a cardinal, it's good luck, blah blah blah, and that someone's coming from heaven. Like, someone's coming to meet you. So, I think that was one of my family members coming in to meet me. I also saw a cardinal yesterday. 2 cardinals yesterday I saw. Or was it 4? I don't know. I don't know. So, anywho, I just felt like doing this video. And guys, I'm gonna say, please like, subscribe, and hope you like my Easter decorations. And thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.